we want to, we can split an image into what are called channels. And we can take each of those pixels or each of those colors and separate it from the other colors in that image into 3 different images that are all black and white images now, but where the white part of the image represents where that color is the strongest, or where those numbers are the highest, and the dark parts of the image represent where the numbers for that channel are the lowest. So if I take the red numbers and make those into a black and white image, you can see that the strawberry, where it's really red in the image, is more light colored, whereas the leaves that are green are more dark colored. And in the green channel, it's a little bit different. The strawberry looks dark, where the leaves look lighter because those are more green. Now, you can see from looking at the blue channel for this image that there's not a whole lot of blue in this image. What you might see is just a little bit of light here in the middle, where the reflection on the strawberry is almost white. And the reason for that isn't because the reflection is blue. The reason for that is that in order to make a white color in the colored image, what we need is full strength from all 3 channels. So the way a lot of filters work, or one of the ways a filter can work, is by taking these channels apart and then doing things with an individual channel. So if I do this, if I use image.split, what it produces is a tuple of 3 different images that each represents one of those channels. But what I can do is I can assign them on the fly to image red, image green, and image blue. And now they're each one a black and white image object, a pillow image object, that I can then manipulate using all of the pillow things. So I can blur it, I can rotate it, I can do whatever I want to each one of these channels. And then if I put them back together after doing something to each one of the channels, then it produces interesting effects for the final image. So a grayscale image is just an image where each pixel has only one number available to it, and that just tells you how light or dark that pixel is.